Time to bake some cookies. Time to start baking.
You've got this. Keep going. Almost there. You made it. Just a little out of breath.
Look at these. Perfect for soup. Just the thing. Yes.
Time for water.
Oh, yes.
Just right.
Perfect.
I think this needs a little more water. Yes, just like that.
Achoo.
Bro?
Time to make some sauce. I love washing vegetables.
You knew you weren't supposed to touch the cake.
I couldn't help it. It smelled too good.
Just tell me who ate the last slice.
Here you go, Mimi. Oh, Moo, it's perfect. Thank you. Just how you like them. Perfect. Whoops. No. Oh, no. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Just great. Here's your carrot. Thank you, Moo. You're the best cook.
All right, time to conserve. Just a little more weight. There, all done.
We did it. I've got the spoon. Now for the rice. Ice. Together now. Push. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We did it. Hooray, rice.
Time to measure out the perfect ingredients for something delicious.
Oops. Oh, sorry. Time for a taste test. Oh, you are the best. Oh, rice? Mice? My favorite hit. I think this is enough. Maybe just a little more, just to be sure. perfect. Time to wash the rice. Perfect.
All right, time for water.
Time to make some rice.
Oh my, it's working.
Time to wash the rice, Mimi. Ready, Moo Moo. Splish, splash, swish. This is fun. Smells so good. Almost ready. Wow.
Just a little more. Perfect. The fragrant rice is finally done.
Together. Almost there. We did it. Hooray. Perfect. Time to cook.
Time to get another pot of water ready for the soup. Time to add the final touches. Into the pot you go.
Time to get this soup simmering. Oh, almost forgot the second burner. Perfect. Now, back to stirring.
Smells so good, I can't wait.
Mimi, be patient.
But I'm hungry. Just a little longer.
Keep waiting, Moo Moo. Okay, Mimi. Just a little longer.
Fine, I'm patient.
I think these will be the best cakes ever. Look, the flower is up there. Can we reach it together?
I'll get the flour. Don't worry, I can reach it.
Keep stirring, just like that. Looking good. Perfect, Chef. Keep it up.
Smells so good. Let's try this now. Almost there. Just a little bit further. I can do this. Oh, careful now. Oops. Meow?
Oh my, this looks just perfect! Whoa, what was that? Goodness, it moved! I better be careful.
Ow! Whoa! Help! Ow! 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 Oh no! Achoo! This smells delicious! Oh, what's happening? The pot is making a funny noise. Whoa, careful there! Mimi, can you help me?
But the soup is bubbling.
Just a little push?
Oh no, the soup's gonna overflow.
Almost. Oh. Not today, Shelf.
No, stop! Please!
Mimi, meow. Moo, stop! Moo.
Whoa, Mimi!
Mimi, look out!
Almost got it.
Oh no, it's falling!
Darn it, I missed it!
Now what am I gonna do?
All right, time to make some cookies. Time to bake something delicious. Oops, maybe too much flour, haha.
This is just perfect.
Now, let's get cooking.
Oh my. Not now. No. Stop, please. Stop boiling. Phew, that's better.
I'm almost done with the soup. Whoa, almost done. This smells delicious. Uh-oh, that's a lot of foam. Whoa, careful there. Oops, it's overflowing. Where did I put it? There you are. Oh no! I'm coming to help.
Whoa! Oof! Well, that wasn't ideal. Whoa! Careful there!
Whoops! Looks like someone's in a hurry. Woohoo! Hee, check this out. Oh, you're gonna get it. Not if I get you first. Oh, careful there.
Uh-oh.
Oops, it's overflowing.
Oh no, my beautiful soup!
Welcome to my kitchen.
A magical place indeed.
Oh no! Turn off! Oh! Phew, that was close. Time to bake the cake. I can't wait. Oh no. I think I might have made a mess. Just a little.
But it's okay.
I made this for us. Thank you, that's wonderful. Mimi, what happened to you?
Just a little accident in the kitchen.
Meow. Meow, so glad you're here.
Whew, that's better. Now, back to baking.
Smells delicious. I think it's ready. Just right. Perfect.
This is absolutely perfect. Oh, I've got something on my face. Don't worry, I'll get that.
both covered. Time to eat. Looks delicious.
I hope you like my soup. It's ready.
This is delicious.